Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix64. I'm Darren Hadley, and as you can see right now, I am running a benchmark, well, a stress test on the Alienware I built. So we will see how that turns out after it's done, and then I will take you through some more benchmarks and some Call of Duty gameplay. So stay tuned. Alright, that passed with a 99%. Let's do Still Nomad. And I will be back with the results. Okay, looks like we had an 8,588. Kind of curious about the temps on the 13,900. CPU temp in the 40s. Wow. Alienware's really improved their thermals on these upper models. Okay, it looks like I need to install a update. Okay, let's not do Time Spy Extreme. I've been getting comments that my Time Spy scores are really low, and I think it's because I'm running Extreme, which is 4K. So we're gonna just do normal Time Spy and see where that comes in. Okay, that looks a lot better. 29,525. Graphics score 32,113. CPU score 2269. Okay, CPU and GPU. CPU seems to be 60s, 70s. GPU's only in 40s, 50s, 70. Kind of towards the end they go 84 on CPU, GPU 72, so nice. And then let's see, let's do Wildlife Extreme. Okay, that was 68,200. CPU temps in the 60s and GPU temps are a bit more mid 70s. So this one was more graphics intensive. Okay, I think that's good for 3D Mark for now. Okay. Running Geekbench 6. This will kind of give us a good opportunity to look at the 5080 in a machine versus eGPU too. And then don't forget I have coming up with my new Alienware 18 Area 51 machine. It has Thunderbolt 5, and I acquired one of the first Thunderbolt 5 eGPU enclosures, which is the Razer Core XV2, and yeah, it's super expensive. It doesn't even come with a power supply, but at least I can provide my own power for the 5090. So we'll be trying that pretty soon. Okay, let's run the CPU just for the heck of it. I've never clocked a 13900K. Okay, we're single core score 2009-11, multi-core score 19,059. Very nice, 13,900K. Okay, the Alienware Aurora R15 comes in around that. My Ultra 7 265. Those two chips are really close on this particular benchmark anyway. Okay, let's give the RTX 5080 a run. Wow, 252, 469. And it looks like the eGPU is around 238, 499. So, yeah, definitely a bit of performance loss, but of course, you know, that's what you get for with an eGPU. So, not bad at all. Okay, now let's play a little Call of Duty. Alright, here we go. Well, it looks like it has some prep to do, so we will continue in a moment. Alright, after about 30 minutes, I guess it wasn't installed all the way or something. This thing should play really well. I mean, it's a powerful computer. Got some fans going though. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Graphics quality extreme. Could turn on frame gen or something, but I want to leave this. It's kind of raw. Okay, I gotta wait for the shaders. I think it's kind of cool how the Alienware's changed colors on Call of Duty. Turned white. Alright, let's see what this can do. Ooh, looks good. Ah! Yeah, we're having around 140, 180, 180, 160 low. I just cannot play this game anymore. Fans sure are allowed to. But, you know, that just tells me they're working. Keeping it cool. Besides, when you play games, most of the time you have headsets on anyway, right? Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. My hands hurting from editing videos so much. Oh, that was dumb. Haha. Keyboard got in the way. Pesky keyboard. Slap. Oh. Slam. Or no. Cut. No. Slash. Yeah, slash is my. I forgot my. Slash. Was it slash? I can't remember what I used to say every time I knifed people. Slash. Oh. Slash. Slash. Yeah, I don't like Slash. I mean, I like Slash the guitarist, but yeah. Oh. Slice. Oh. And this desk is not big enough. The keyboard keeps getting in the way, and the mouse keeps getting in the way. You know. Oh. Yeah, I wonder what the temps are getting up to. Oh, come on. Gotta think twice, so you slice and dice. That was lame. This guy on the ground. Ooh. Wow. Slice and dice. Oh. Oh. Yeah. And I just helped them. Oh. One more kill for them. Oh boy. Oh. And I'm the one who ended us. Nice. Yeah, this is playing at very high frames per second. Great gaming PC. It's time to go off into this outer space, Alienware. I'm collecting an awful lot of computers. It's time to say goodbye, maybe. Okay, well, that was fun. Anyway, that just gives you a little bit of a look at how this Alienware area or Aurora R15 works. And yeah, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and my viewers. And if you like what you see and you need your fix, please like and subscribe. And yeah, click the bell notification if you want to know when I post a new video. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. And now it's silent. It actually automatically switched to the performance preset, so that's what had the fans going, and now it's back down to balanced.